the CEC, CEO, and the 2 officers. The municipal board, you are also on that list of people who can go to jail because of this because of this provision. Governor, I don't know, the municipal board, is it in place?
They are not, Mr. Chairman.
They are not in place.
They're not. Only one person here. Here.
No,
they are.
You have a board?
Yes, I do. I
Okay.
have it.
So who is representing the board here?
The CC planning.
The CEC lands. You need to tell them that they are also liable on this matter, because the law on urban areas and the Cities Act puts them in that bracket of ensuring that there is financial accountability, and this includes that segment of financial accountability. So anyway, I have given direction on that matter. So, honorable members, that brings us to the end of the audited reports for Kisii municipality for the 3 years. Now we will look at the audited reports for 2 years for Kisii County Health Improvement Fund. Is the document in yellow, honorable members?
This is UDA. The UDO.
Why is the document not in orange?
So, auditor, please take us through the report in the manner that I had directed you, starting with the year ended June 2021.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. The report of the Auditor General for the financial year statement for the Kisii County Health Facility Improvement Fund for the year ended 30th June 2021. Issue number 1 is budgetary control and performance not addressed, and that year was just only issue of budgetary. Then we go to the year ended 30th June 2022. Issue number 1 is long outstanding receivable from exchange transactions. The issue was partially addressed. Then issue number 2 is about budgetary control and performance. Issue not addressed.
So, honorable members, as has been pointed out, the report for the year ended June 2021 was unqualified. It had only one query, budget control and performance, which is not addressed. But that query recurs in the next year of June 2022. So we'll consider it in June 2022. Then we have the report for the year ended June 2022. We had 2 queries. That is long outstanding receivables from exchange transaction and budget control and performance. So we are only going to cover the 2 queries because the one of budget recurs. So we'll cover the latest year of 2022. So auditor started us off on a long outstanding receivables from exchange transaction.
Thank you, Chair.
Page 53 of the response document. Proceed.
Thank you, Chair. The long outstanding receivables from the exchange transactions. The statement of the financial position reflects a receivable from the exchange transaction balance of Kenya shilling 45,941,894. However, analysis of the detailed supporting schedule provided for audit revealed that the balance includes a receivable from National Hospital Insurance Fund, NHIF, amounting to Kenya shilling at 6,114,764, which had been outstanding for the period ranging from 7 days to 11 months, contrary to Section 27E of the National Health Insurance Fund Act 1998, which requires a valid claims to be settled within a period of 1 month from the date of the submission of the claims. In circumstances, the recoverability of receivables amounting to Kenya shillings 6,114,764 could not be confirmed.
Governor, your management response?
Thank you, Chairman. Again, I want to say that the management concurs. Because that's what is written here. Concurs with the auditor's observation that there were long outstanding receivables from National Hospital Fund, that's NHIF, ranging 37 days to 11 months. This was occasioned by the delay disbursement of funds by the NHIF. There has been a concerted effort by management in following up the claims. So far, Mr. Chairman, 42,915,594 relating to the period under review has been reimbursed, leaving a balance of 3,026,300 still outstanding. And we can find them in the attachment of 1A, 1B, and 1C, Mr. Chairman.
Auditor, your comments on the management response?
Chair, management concurs